Hello, my lovely people. I greet you all to your own time. My name is Mirian Dike. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm here to share with you all how I do my sausage roll once I don't have enough strength to cook in my kitchen. Don't get me wrong, but yes, sometimes it's like that. This is one of my quick recipe I do for them. Yes, I say it for them because my hubby don't like sausage rolls, so I have to prepare another 10 healthy food for him. So guys, I don't have much strength to stand in that kitchen that day. I'll just do something like this, very healthy, good, tastes nice, yummy, and then quickly prepared my hobby food and go to rest. Get myself ready for another day. I believe that this recipe I'm sharing will help someone out there that one he or she gets tired. When I mean have a stressful day, couldn't do one or two things, can just do this kind of healthy food for her family and then go to rest. But first, you just need this type of dough. We call it blätterteig in Dutch, which is puff pastry in English. So I bought this one in leather, as in shop where I used to buy things. Then I'll go ahead, as you can see what I'm doing, putting it in the shape I want it to be with the sausage roll. So keep watching and see the end of it. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the real VIP of this channel. Without you guys, I don't know where I'll be till now. But I cherish you all. Thank you so much for always clicking on my video. I love you all. For my new subscribers, thank you so much. I welcome you in my channel. I really appreciate your coming. Just do me a little favor and click on that button on your right side that says subscribe. And once a bell pop out, click on that bell so that whenever I put a new video, you will also be the VIP that will receive the video. Thank you so much once again and keep watching. Here is the first set. Now I'll start with the second set of it. So guys, I'm done rolling it. Just take a look at that. Now I will go ahead and make sure that the butter, I will apply it very well on top of each, one after the other. And after that, I'll now put one part in a attractive shape. That's Mirian Dike. Something attractive for my kids, because I find out that my kid loves something very attractive food, you understand. So that's the reason I always try to put, once it's baking, something that will attract them. I have other methods. Maybe another day I will share with you another method I'm using to make, or will I say another shape I use to put or design my sausage roll. So now it's going straight to the oven to be baked for 20 minutes at 180 degrees, depending on my oven setting. Yeah, so guys, here is another recipe. If you have not watched this recipe, cake decoration ideas and also cake tutorial I have made so far, just go ahead and click on those videos at the end of this video. Not all of them, but at least you'll see some will pop out at the end and some will come at information, as in I mean suggested video. So anyone you like, just click on it. So now it's done. Yeah, just take a look at that. Oh my goodness, I so much love the aroma and the look of it, how it looks like. Then go ahead and decorate it with fruits and vegetables so that it will be more attractive for them to eat and enjoy it. The carrots I used to decorate it with, I used to cook the carrots just half done. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.